Welcome back to RVenture Life. Most RV shoppers assume they need a large trailer to get premium features, serious storage, and comfortable living space. But what if you could get all of that in a compact camper that's easy to tow, easy to park, and ready for adventure? Today, we're taking a look at an incredible lightweight travel trailer that proves bigger isn't always better. Packed with smart design, impressive storage, modern amenities, and a comfortable floor plan, this camper delivers everything many travelers need while staying under 20 feet in length. Let's start right up front. The front of the trailer features a versatile Murphy bed setup that allows the space to serve two purposes. During the day, you have a comfortable sofa for relaxing, reading, or enjoying a cup of coffee. When it's time to sleep, the bed folds down quickly and easily, creating a spacious sleeping area without permanently taking up valuable floor space. One of the most impressive things about this front section is the amount of storage. On both sides of the bed, you'll find deep wardrobe cabinets with hanging space for clothing. There are also large drawers that extend deep into the cabinetry, giving you plenty of room for personal belongings. Additional shelving provides even more organization options, allowing you to customize the storage to fit your travel needs. Underneath the sofa, you'll find even more hidden storage. This is the perfect place to store camping gear, outdoor accessories, extra blankets, or anything else you want to keep tucked away but easily accessible. The Murphy bed itself is simple to operate. Within seconds, the sofa transforms into a comfortable sleeping area, making the transition from day mode to night mode quick and effortless. For added convenience, both sides of the bed include USB charging ports and standard power outlets. Whether you're charging your phone, tablet, laptop, or using a CPAP machine, power is always within reach. Looking upward, you'll notice the stylish LED ceiling lighting. The lighting system includes adjustable brightness settings, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere whether you're relaxing during the evening or getting ready for the day ahead. Large windows surround the living space, filling the interior with natural light. Roller shades provide privacy whenever needed while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. Moving over to the dinette area, you'll find one of the most enjoyable spaces inside the trailer. The large picture window offers excellent views of your campsite, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors even when you're inside. Many RV owners quickly discover how important a good campsite view becomes, and this trailer definitely delivers. The dinette provides comfortable seating for meals, games, or simply relaxing after a day of adventure. Storage is built into the dinette as well. Hidden compartments beneath the seats provide additional space for gear and supplies. When extra sleeping space is needed, the dinette easily converts into a bed, making it perfect for children, grandchildren, or occasional guests. You'll also notice how easy it is to slide in and out of the seating area, thanks to the thoughtful design underneath the table. Near the entry door, there's dedicated shoe storage that helps keep the interior organized and clean. Having a place to store shoes, sandals, and outdoor footwear may seem like a small feature, but experienced campers know how valuable it can be. The overall layout creates excellent traffic flow throughout the trailer, making it comfortable to move around even when multiple people are inside. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. For a compact trailer, this kitchen offers an impressive amount of storage and functionality. One of the standout features is the large drawer space. Many small trailers sacrifice kitchen storage, but this one provides deep drawers perfect for pots, pans, utensils, and cooking supplies. Additional cabinets above and below the countertop offer plenty of room for dishes, food, and everyday kitchen essentials. The sink is deep enough to make dishwashing convenient while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. A high-rise residential-style faucet adds both style and practicality, making meal preparation and cleanup much easier. Beside the sink, you'll find additional countertop space for food prep. There's also a flip-up counter extension that can provide even more workspace whenever needed. Cooking is handled by a 2-burner cooktop that's perfect for preparing meals while traveling. The protective cover folds down when not in use, creating additional counter space. Above the cooktop is a microwave, giving you another convenient cooking option for quick meals and snacks. Ventilation is handled by a powered fan that helps remove cooking odors and excess heat, while keeping fresh air circulating throughout the coach. Entertainment hasn't been overlooked either. The living area is designed to accommodate your favorite shows, movies, and streaming options, making it easy to relax after a busy day exploring. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest surprises in this trailer, the refrigerator. For a compact camper, the refrigerator is exceptionally large. With plenty of storage space for groceries, beverages, and meal ingredients, it's more than capable of supporting extended trips. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or spending several weeks on the road, you'll have plenty of room to store everything you need. This trailer is also equipped with a factory solar system, helping keep your batteries charged during your travels. For campers interested in off-grid adventures, the solar setup provides a strong foundation and can be expanded even further in the future if desired. Climate control is another area where this trailer shines. A powerful furnace keeps the interior warm during cold weather camping, while the roof-mounted air conditioning system keeps temperatures comfortable during the summer months. One thing taller campers will appreciate is the excellent headroom throughout the coach. The air conditioning system is integrated into the ceiling in a way that maximizes interior space and helps create a more open feel. Combined with the bright colors and smart design, the trailer feels surprisingly spacious. A sturdy grab handle adds additional confidence and safety. Moving toward the front of the trailer, you'll find a power tongue jack that makes hitching and unhitching much easier. Dual propane tanks provide plenty of fuel capacity for your camping adventures, while the battery area allows room for future upgrades. One of the standout exterior features is the enormous pass-through storage compartment. For a trailer under 20 feet long, the amount of exterior storage is truly impressive. Camping gear, chairs, tools, and outdoor equipment can all be stored conveniently and accessed from multiple locations. The trailer also includes exterior water connections that provide convenient access around different sides of the coach. Construction quality is another major highlight. The high-gloss fiberglass exterior delivers an upscale appearance while helping protect the trailer for years to come. The large power awning creates an excellent outdoor living space. Whether you're relaxing in the shade or enjoying an evening at the campsite, the awning significantly expands your usable living area. Integrated LED lighting beneath the awning helps create a welcoming atmosphere after sunset. Exterior power outlets allow you to connect appliances, charge devices, or power additional campsite accessories. The trailer rides on stylish aluminum wheels and includes stabilizer jacks to help create a solid camping experience. At the rear, you'll find a factory-installed hitch receiver that adds versatility for carrying extra gear and accessories. An oversized rear ladder provides convenient roof access and can also be used to hang towels, swimsuits, and other items for drying. The trailer features an on-demand water heating system that delivers hot water quickly and efficiently whenever needed. Additional exterior features include a black tank flush system, city water hookups, cable and satellite connections, utility controls, battery disconnect switches, and easy-access service points designed to simplify maintenance and ownership. Everything has been thoughtfully arranged to make setup, operation, and long-term maintenance as simple as possible. And that's what makes this compact travel trailer so impressive. It combines premium features, excellent storage, modern technology, solar capability, comfortable living space, and easy towing characteristics into a package that's perfect for both new and experienced RV owners. Whether you're looking for your first RV, downsizing from a larger trailer, or searching for a lightweight camper that can access more campsites and destinations, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for joining us on RVenture Life. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to stay tuned for more amazing RV walkthroughs, travel trailers, and camping adventures. We'll see you in the next one.